Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Oh, today is an exciting day because today you are going to be the designer of the science experiment. You're going to not be doing someone else's experiment. You're going to create your own sound machine. So, the goal today and the next day, this might take more than a day to work on, and your teacher might give you maybe some different directions than I am. So make sure and listen to your teacher about how exactly you should create your sound machine. So you're going to take something we've learned about that makes a sound. Could be the drum, could be the hanger, could be the ruler, could be the cup, could be anything that we worked on that made a sound. And you're going to change that somehow so someone can hear the sound from further away. Then you're going to test it out. Doesn't that sound like fun? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about your design of your project. So when we talk about someone hearing a sound from far away, what do you think helps someone hear a sound from far away? Does it have to be a loud sound or a soft sound? I bet you're right. I think it needs to be a loud sound. And I remember one of our experts was talking, he was testing like the water bottle and the paper towel. And he said if something is harder, it makes a louder sound. So you might want to think about the materials that you use and pick some hard materials, not something soft and squishy. Because something soft and squishy is not going to make a loud sound and then you won't hear it. So let's talk about what we know. We know that hard objects make loud sounds. Do loud sounds, can they go further? Can we hear them further away? Yeah, because it's something soft. It's like a whisper. You can't hear it far away. So we want louder, whoops, I spelled louder. Objects. There we go. Oops. Now, we also know there has to be a vibration, right? To make that sound. And we probably need it to be loud to hear it farther away. But we'll have to think about just how loud we need it. Okay. So then we're going to be thinking about what we could change. And this is going to be up to you and your teacher. So your teacher might tell you exactly what they want you to change, like change the drum, change the cup, change the hanger, change the yardstick, maybe change the rubber band. You could do a rubber band sound machine to make a louder sound. And then you're actually going to test it out. So your teacher will tell you how you're going to test it out. If you're going to design it in a group, have a partner, and everybody has their own machine. And you're going to have an investigation plan to test out, design your machine, and then test it out. And then you're going to write down what you observed, what the sounds were like, and what does it show about your sound machine. Now, I'm also thinking that you might have to measure how far away you can hear. Like, let's say your sound machine is a rubber band, and you pluck the rubber band and have your friend be close, and then stand back a little bit, see if they can still hear it. Have them stand back more, see if they can still hear it. And then stop when they can't hear it anymore. And then think about how you could make that rubber band louder. Okay? So I can change the sound of a rubber band by changing the size, maybe the box, the drum. Maybe you could change the cup, right? After making this change, someone can hear the sound from far away. So you're going to test it out, like before you change it and after you change it, to see if they can hear it from further away. And then you're going to say what you did well. Can you make it better? What surprised you? And maybe there's something else you'd wonder, like something else you'd like to change to make your sound be louder, to be heard from further away. So I'm sure your teacher will help you out with some further directions. give you some supplies if you need some. Maybe you're at home, you can have someone in your family help you build your sound machine. You could use other materials. Let's say you wanted to make your own bell or your own wind chime. Like, how could you make it and then make it louder? And think about what we've learned about how we can make sounds louder. So, this is going to take a couple days to work on. Maybe draw a picture of your idea, talk to your teacher, your family about it, then gather some materials and build it. Have a friend help you test it, do some measuring, and then build it again and see if you can make it louder. Oh, I wish I could see your projects. I bet they're going to be great. Very fun to figure out how you can make sound louder and travel further away. Okay, boys and girls, good luck with your projects. I would love to see them if I could.